Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings. This gets you into the system controls. Once there, use the search bar and type Digital Wellbeing or Screen Time to jump directly to the feature. Make sure you are on the user profile you want to change and have any device PIN or fingerprint ready, because some options require confirmation. This first step saves time and prevents confusion later, so confirm you're in the correct account before moving to limits and app timers. Now you configure the actual limits. Tap App Timers and choose an app. Set a daily limit, for example 1 hour 30 minutes, and confirm. This enforces automatic pause. Alternatively, enable focus or bedtime mode to silence distractions during specific hours. Set start and end times and choose exceptions if needed. Make sure to apply limits to categories when available, because grouping similar apps saves time. Once done, review the summary chart to verify daily usage goals are applied correctly. Finish by locking the settings. Add essential apps to always allowed so calls or safety tools work despite timers, and set a screen time passcode or enable parental controls to prevent changes. If you're managing a child's profile, follow the supervised account flow and choose content filters. Once configured, restart the phone to ensure background services apply rules. If an app ignores limits, clear its cache and confirm battery or permission settings aren't exempt. This usually resolves enforcement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.